Remove the air cap, deflate the air chamber while covering the valve to prevent oil from spilling. Use a 4mm Allen key to remove the air side lower screw. Remove the rebound adjuster knob. And use a 3mm Allen key to remove the rebound side lower screw. Then the lower can be removed. Afterwards, the bottom out bumper and plastic spacer. Use a cassette tool to remove the air cartridge. Then use an auto trim removal tool to remove the lockout knob. Take out the small steel balls and springs. Use a 28mm flat ground socket to remove the lockout cartridge. Use a clean, lint-free rag to wipe the inside of both stanchions. After all parts have been thoroughly inspected and cleaned, the fork can be reassembled. Use the cassette tool to assemble the air cartridge into the air side stanchion. Tightening torque 10 to 13 Nm. Use a shock pump to inflate the air cartridge to the RST standard air pressure of 90 to 100 psi or the preferred air pressure setting noted prior to performing the service. Then add a liberal amount of grease to the rod and main seal of the lockout cartridge. Use the 28mm flat ground socket to assemble the lockout cartridge, tightening torque 10 to 13 Nm. Use needle nose pliers to adjust the cartridge to the lockout position, turning the hex lockout axle counterclockwise till the end lockout position. Apply genuine suspension for grease to the upper and lower bushing positions in the lower leg assembly. Add lubrication oil to the foam rings. Apply grease on the bottom out bumper as well as the contact surface between the bumper and the plastic spacer so the parts stay put during assembly. Assemble the lower. Then apply a small amount of Loctite 243 thread locker to the rebound side screw. Use the 3mm Allen key to tighten the screw, tightening torque 5 to 7 Nm. Use Loctite 243 thread locker for the air side lower screw as well. And use the 4mm Allen key to tighten it to a torque value of 5 to 7 Nm. Assemble the rebound adjustment knob. Assemble the air cap. Install the small steel balls and springs and align the lockout knob with the hex cartridge lockout axle. Make sure the nose of the knob is facing to the direction of riding. The knob should be rotating roughly 180 degrees from fully open to the locked position. Test whether the function and adjustment range of compression and rebound is fully given and if the fork is performing smoothly once the compression is dialed out entirely.